Hi, I'm Jenny Ahlstrom, founder of the Myeloma Crowd. When we hear from myeloma patients at our meetings or online, some of the most common questions we get are things like, does my diet or exercise affect myeloma progression? What's the best treatment for my genetic features? Do I still need stem cell transplant with all the new drugs that have been introduced? How is COVID affecting myeloma patients? Are there ways to prevent or reduce the side effects of the myeloma treatments I'm taking? Our new Myeloma Crowd Research Initiative seeks to answer some of these critical questions. So what's happening in the real world? Will it take another 10 years for us to answer these key questions? Or do we have the tools today to directly help researchers develop new hypotheses in months or even in weeks? Using HealthTree, we're gathering real myeloma patient experiences, aggregating them into measurable data, and sharing the data with myeloma researchers. This is called real-world evidence. We will never replace formal clinical trials that test new drugs in development, but with your help and more modern tools at our disposal, there's a better, faster, and less expensive way to do valid, scientific studies in partnership with myeloma investigators and find answers to pressing questions. In 2020, we started using HealthTree to quickly learn from this real-world evidence. Researchers like Dr. Mike Thompson posted survey questions like, were you vaccinated after stem cell transplant? In 2 months, over 600 patients had responded. When COVID hit, we wanted to know how you were being impacted. We were able to invite over 1,100 myeloma patients in that study. Again, we asked 6 myeloma researchers to create and review the study questions in true patient-researcher collaboration. This Giving Tuesday, help us continue this critical research into 2021. We have donors willing to match for this new Myeloma Crowd Research Initiative, which includes multiple studies in partnership with several myeloma researchers. This is especially important between now and the end of 2020. From now till December 31st, the CARES Act allows you 2 important tax deductions. One that increases the amount of deductions you can take up to 100% of your annual gross income. You can also read below to learn more about the individual studies we'll be running that will answer practical, everyday patient questions and help myeloma researchers at the same time. During Giving Tuesday, you'll also find articles on the Myeloma Crowd website explaining each of these in more detail. Let's bring multiple myeloma research into the 21st century using these new, validated, and innovative methods of collaboration between patients and myeloma researchers. We'll be able to cut the time of research from years to weeks or months because we all want a faster cure. I'm still a myeloma patient. I still can't wait for a cure. What I can do is contribute to this research, and I'm inviting you to do the same. Please join over 8,000 patients in HealthTree who are helping to accelerate myeloma research, and please donate today to help us take advantage of this very generous matching grant. Thank you so much.